How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching Sygtech. Welcome back for another video. Very excited for today's video because we have ANC budget headphones which I'm very curious to try thanks to Mixcder. I believe this is the company. They sent me this Mixcder E9 Pros to try in today's video for you, so I'm very happy to do this video. So we have the Mixcder E9 Pro. Let's see quickly what comes in the box. In the meantime, I'm gonna give you some of the specifications of the Mixcder E9 Pros. So we have a built-in 500 mAh battery. This is gonna provide you up to 35 hours playtime, music, phone calls, which again, this is very good. 35 hours, I think, is plenty enough. Also, the charging time is 1 hour, which again, this is very good in my opinion. 1 hour, this is nice. And also they have like a fast charging feature, so if you plug them for 5 minutes you can get up to 2 hours playtime. Again, this is a very nice feature. So we have 35 hours playtime music and about 30 hours with the ANC on, which in my opinion this is very nice. So let's talk about some of the speakers actually. So we have a 40mm drivers inside and they are 32 ohms. So this is nice because you can use them with your mobile phone, with your laptop, and this is very nice. Also we have the Bluetooth 5.0, which again, this is not the latest, but it's better than the 4.2, and the wireless distance is 10 meters or 32 feet, which in my opinion this is plenty enough. And now let's see the headphones now, because I'm very curious and very happy to test this E9 Pros. Alright, so this is the E9 Pros, which I'm very happy to test in my opinion because they look very nice. Let's talk about the build quality now, because if I'm honest with you, the build quality is very nice. You're not gonna find something, obviously they made from plastic, but we have a metal here. They're quite adjustable in my opinion, so even if you have a large head you're gonna be fine. So as you can see, let me try to do some bending test here. Well, I'm not, as you can see, they're quite flexible in my opinion. The build quality, it's decent, it's very nice. Again, $70. The cushions, they're very soft. So I believe I'm gonna do a test. So make sure to subscribe because I'm gonna do a couple of videos about these headphones. Planning to put them to the test in the real life because I'm gonna commute with these headphones. I will travel with these headphones. So I'm gonna give you my full review soon. So make sure to subscribe and turn your bell notifications. But the build quality is excellent. Obviously they're made from plastic. We have a metal, they're adjustable. The cushions on the side are very soft. So I believe for long periods, for long sessions, you're not gonna have any problems. So yeah, the the build quality is excellent, no complaints whatsoever. So let's see now what we have on the side, just to have a look some of the buttons on the headphones. So on the left side we have only one toggle for the ANC. When you switch this on, there's a blue light indicates that the ANC is on. Also they're hybrid, so you can use them with a included 3.5mm headphone jack, and also you can use them wirelessly as well, which is nice. On the right side we have a plus and minus toggle. We have a something that I'm not very happy to see. We have a micro USB. I wish it was a type C. Again, this is not a minus. I know some companies they still using micro USB, but will be nice if you see type C. And also we have a switch on and on button with a indicator light when you connect them, when do you pair them to your mobile or a laptop or tablet. But overall, they're nice. I do like them. So now let's do the test now. Oh yeah, this is very comfortable. If I'm honest with you, I'm pretty sure, even I know I just put them for 10 seconds, but they're very comfortable. And if you have a long sessions, you're not gonna have any problems, any issues wearing for a long period. They are nice. And now let's test them. Let's play some music and let's see how they actually sound, because I'm curious to see if they sound very nice. So let's do that now. Oh, the bass is soft. The bass is very soft. The sound stage is very balanced and the sound quality is very nice. I do like the bass. The bass is very nice, very soft. It's not punchier. Brilliant, brilliant, lovely. It just makes me feel happy. Sound quality is very nice. And now, ANC on. Let's try the ANC on now. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna test them when I do outside because I'm gonna commute with them. And I don't hear my voice. I can hear it, but very, very. I'm gonna put on the screen which song I'm listening right now. Amazing, amazing. Wow. I'm blown away. They sound very, very rich. The sound, I don't know. It's lovely. Obviously, you cannot take my words because it's hard to explain. But they sound nice. They sound rich. The bass is very good. They're all balanced. I can hear all the instruments in my head. And yeah, I like them a lot actually. I was surprised. $70 ANC. But again, I will do the test next week, a week after. I'm gonna commute with these headphones every day to work, and obviously I use public transport, a bus, tram, train. So this is gonna be nice to test them in a real life. As every day, I use my podcasts, music. I need to make sure that I test them right. But I am happy so far because they're nice. They sound very good. The build quality is very nice. Amazing features. So yeah, for $70, this is not a bad pair, in my opinion. I don't know. Let me know, what do you think? I'm overexcited because they sound amazing. So make sure to subscribe because again, I'm gonna do a follow-up video about the E9 Pros soon. I'm gonna test them outside, different situations. Also, phone calls is very important, so I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna test the speakers, the microphones for the phone calls. But overall, so far, very good. Impressed. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below and subscribe. It's free. I'll see you in the next video.